2023 was another great travel year for us. We started off with an Ensenada Cruise on Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas.
Don't be confused.
First wine tasting of the day, and let me tell you, it's a good one. Perfect day out here.
One of the nicest things about this room location is that we can see the hot air balloons in the early morning.
Adrian and I are spending the weekend in Napa. It's just a short drive, about an hour drive from our home. We come up regularly, and this is one of our favorite wineries here, Robert Mondavi.
We always enjoy spending time in our city by the bay.
The cable cars are synonymous with San Francisco. It's so nice to see them running again.
San Francisco is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. I mean that with every part of my being.
Cruising underneath the Golden Gate Bridge in the fall was an experience of a lifetime.
Our second cruise of the year was a California coastal cruise on the Celebrity Solstice.
Beautiful day in Catalina, guys. Beautiful day.
We're here in sunny Santa Barbara today. First time in the old town of the area.
We're here on Santa Monica Pier. We're checking it out today. We're only going to be here for probably a couple of hours before we go to the LA airport. We got a later flight tonight, but we're down here in Santa Monica and we're enjoying it.
And then it was back to the Napa Valley.
We're here at the Meritage Resort and Spa, one of Napa Valley's premier properties. Luxury at its best.
Adrian and I always enjoy driving up to the Livermore Valley. We often hear about Napa. You don't hear that much about the Livermore Valley, but the Livermore Valley has a lot of history. It's beautiful up here, and it's a short drive from our home. So when you come to visit the Bay Area and you want to visit some wineries, think about the Livermore Valley. You might like what you find out. It's beautiful. Each time we've done tasting here at Wente, we've been impressed with all of their wines. Everything from the Chardonnays to the Rosés, the Cabernets, Shiraz, all of their wines are really good. And the good thing is you can find most of these wines at all of your beverage stores. So it's widely distributed all over the country. So when you're looking for a good wine, check out Wente's.
In September, we enjoyed an unforgettable Greek Isles cruise on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas.
Gelato. is our third time we're back here in Ephesus. We can't wait to explore it again and see how much more they've excavated.
In Santorini, we toured the island, enjoyed breathtaking views of the caldera, and even took time to stop in at Greco Gold, our favorite jewelry store on the island.
We visited a village that was at the highest point on the island, and the views were spectacular. But what was more impressive were the skills of the drivers. I mean, there were narrow turns, close to the edges. The ride was really exhilarating at times, and hats off to the drivers.
Now the depth of the caldera is 300 meters and at some point goes down to 400 meters. As was discovered by a French marine biologist, you probably heard of him,
It's been an amazing day here. We've enjoyed it tremendously. We walked the streets, we met some of the locals, ate some of the cuisine. We had a real cultural immersion process here, and now we are waiting on this hop on, hop off bus, and we're going to ride it back to the dock. We had a wonderful time here in Athens today.
The Odyssey of the Seas is a beautiful ship that offers lots of really fun onboard activities.
Again, it's a beautiful day here in the Bay Area. We made this short drive to Foster City, a beautiful little community right up here, not too far from my home. We discovered this great restaurant a few weeks ago. We saw it on one of our local eatery stations. And so we're back, we're going to try it today, and we're going to share some of it with you.
Like Robert said, we saw this restaurant advertised on Check Please Bay Area, one of our favorite restaurant review programs. Tried it about a month ago and it was so good we had to come back. This is the best Mediterranean food we've had since our last trip to Turkey. This dish is called muhammara. It's actually a dip that's served with pita, made from a combination of ground up walnuts and pomegranate molasses and I don't know what else, but it is delicious.
And this is the chicken curry pita roll. It is really good. Just the tastes and the flavors are so fresh. And like I said earlier, it takes us back to Kusadasi.
We ended the year with a cruise on the celebrity Eclipse, where we were invited to experience the sail away from the helipad. So much fun.
We're here in Little Italy in San Diego.
So we boarded the train and in about 30 minutes we're going to be pulling out. Can't wait.
We're taking advantage of this lovely weather today, and we're doing Christmas on St. Catalina.
2023 really was a wonderful travel year for us. We saw, we shared, we ate, we explored, we had some unforgettable experiences. We can't wait to see what 2024 will bring, but one thing for sure, we're going to keep traveling.
Thanks so much for visiting our YouTube channel. If you liked the video you just saw, hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel.